Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to maximize Lendingclub'S marketplace banking model for both deposits and loans. Lendingclub isn't just a bank, it's a marketplace where deposit fuels loans. Here's how to take advantage of both sides of the unique model. The first step is to understand the marketplace. Depositors, these are people with checking, savings, CDs, or cash accounts that provide funds. For borrowers, these are people taking personal loans, auto refinancing, or business loans. And these are the people who, of course, use those funds. This creates a community-driven banking loop. Money from savers supports the loans, while borrowers pay interest that sustain deposit rewards. Next, as a depositor, you can open a Lendingclub checking or savings account. The benefits include competitive interest, especially on savings and on CDs, access to tools like Level Up for cashbacks and early direct deposits. You also have the FDIC insurance for safety. A pro tip is to keep your everyday spending money in checkings and your growth funds in savings or CDs for maximum yields. Now, as a borrower, you can apply for personal loans, credit card refinancing, or auto loan refinancing. The benefits include fast approval with soft credit checks for pre-qualifications, potentially lower interest than credit cards, and of course, fixed monthly payments that make budgeting easier. The fourth is combining both sides. Now, if you're both a saver and a borrower, you can use your deposit for stability and liquidity, and also leverage Lendingclub'S loans for debt consolidation or big expenses. This way, you're maximizing Lendingclub'S ecosystem without leaving the platform. Fifth step is to monitor the dashboard. You can use the financial dashboard to see deposits growing interest as well as loan balances shrinking with each payment. This complete view keeps you balanced on both ends. By understanding Lendingclub'S marketplace banking model, you can grow your savings while smartly managing debt. In the next video, we're going to dive into how to open a Lendingclub bank account online step by step, so stay tuned to that. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.